Most people think content creation is the problem, but the real problem is they don't know how to use the data they already have. As you can see on my screen, I'm inside ConnectSafely.ai and this is the JSON to Toon Converter. So now don't worry if this looks technical. JSON simply means structured data, basically organized information that systems can easily read. And Toon is simply a cleaner human readable version of that same data. And I'm going to paste a more realistic example here, something you would actually work with. So let me just paste into this box just right here. So as you can see, this is quite detailed and nested, and there are multiple layers like meta, content, problems, and solutions. And honestly, it's not very easy to quickly read or use like this. So I have already converted this, and here's the output on my right side. So you might notice the content is the same, but look closely, the structure has changed. On the left, it's strict JSON with brackets, quotes, and deep nesting, which is machine friendly. On the right, it's much cleaner, more compact, and easier to understand. This is Toon, which is human friendly. So instead of dealing with raw data, you now have something that's actually readable, usable, and ready to work with. This becomes really powerful if you're working with AI tools, automation, or even content systems where clean input makes a big difference. You are not rewriting or fixing data manually, you are transforming it instantly. And that's how you save time, reduce effort, and actually make your data work for you. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.